The information is out there. Do you know how to find it?
Anytime that you use a computer or mobile device, you are leaving behind digital exhaust. Regardless of where a person is in the world, you are very likely to be able to find information about them online.
The Open Source Investigations Seminar presented by WZ and Haystack Investigations will give you the tools.
Talking about all things that are online, everything that we talk about is what you can do from your desktop in a COVID world and beyond. In the context of open source investigations, what information you can find.
Actionable.
The dark web, just a super easy way to kind of keep an eye on what's going on. He did not make his friends list private. So I can use that. It's the only part of his profile I can see, but I can definitely use that.
Interactive.
Jeffrey, you found this pretty quickly. What search did you use? Yes, absolutely, positively, Jason, that is correct. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Effective.
There's a pretty safe bet that that is the person associated with that email. It's clear that he is at home.
The WZ Open Source Investigations Seminar. Find the answer.